In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a new disk partition in Windows 10 or 11. Right, so the first thing you need to do is go and look at your Windows Home button here on the lower left corner and right click on it. A pop-up will appear and click disk management like this. And the disk management window will appear and you're going to see your partitions. Step 2 is right click on the hard disk partition that you want to shrink and select shrink volume. Step 3, enter the amount of space you want to shrink in MB, then click on the shrink button. Wait for the process to complete and you'll get an allocated volume. Step 4, right click on the unallocated space on your hard disk and then select new simple volume. Step 5, in the new simple volume wizard interface, click next. And then enter the size of the volume you want to create in MB or accept the default size and then select next. Step 7, accept the default drive letter or choose a different letter for the partition and then select next. Step 8, set the default file system as NTFS and then select next to format the volume. Step 9, click finish to complete creating a new partition in Windows 10 or 11. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.